Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel KB Khalsa Brothers. Today I will tell you what are Arduino pins. Arduino pin references. I'll explain all of the pins of Arduino. Let's start the video. There will be two parts of the video. This is part 1, Arduino pin references. I will explain you, and second part I will make practical projects on all these pins. So first pins are serial 0 RX and 1 TX. These both pins. Serial RX and 1 TX. These pins are used to receive and transmit TTL data. We use the TX and RX pins in projects like Bluetooth and to receive or transmit data like projects. Bluetooth projects are the best example of that. I will show you in my part 2nd. And next are pin number 2 and 3, external interrupts. These pins can be configured or to trigger an interrupt on a low value, a rising or falling edge, a signal going from low to high or high to low respectively, or a change in value. An interrupt is a signal that tells the Arduino to stop and carry out another function. When the pins have detected an external event such a push button being process. These are the 2 and 3 pins which I have explained now. These are such as push button being processed. We use this like when push button is pressed. These pins give signal to Arduino. That is this 2 and 3 pin do. Now PWM. This you can see these small things like this. This is a small signs are there. These are PWM pins. PWM means these pins can be used with pulse width modulation through the analog write function. There's more information I'll give you in my next video. I'll make a project on it, and you can learn in my next part also. Now these pins 6 and 5 and 11, 10 and 9. These are PWM pins. Okay. Now next is SPI. SPI pins 10, 11, 12. These are SPI pins. Okay. And 13 is also 13. These 4 are SPI pins. These pins support SPI communication using the SPI library, and I use this also in my next video for proper knowledge. Now LED pin number 13. This one. There is built-in LED connected to digital pin 13. This LED is connected to digital pin 13. When the pin is high, the LED is on. When the pin is low, it's off. The built-in LED on pin 13 is used to show when the onboard 80 mega 328p bootloader is running, usually when the Arduino is starting up. So next is Arif. This one, Arif. Okay. Arif. This is a reference voltage for the analog inputs. It's used with analog reference. We can input from 0 to 5 volt. So if your sensor requires a lower voltage than 5 volt, you can use this pin to increase the resolution for a more accurate reading. Now these were digital and data pins. Now I'll explain you A0 to A5 analog pin. Now analog inputs is here to A5. The Arduino Uno has 6 analog inputs, each of which provide 1024 different values. 1024 different values it carries. Now our next is power pins. These all. Okay. Not not this reset pin. These are power pins. Okay. First, and this is so simple. It give output to our which sensor we using. These pins give power to it. Win is used to get input power. We can own the our board Arduino board with this input box, which from which we give it code, upload code. From here we use 9-volt battery, and from win we can do input directly. So next is reset pin. Only this is left. Okay, and reset. Set this to low to reset the microcontroller. This is typically used to add a reset button. This is already a reset button. If we want to add a new reset button, one push button wire will be there and one to GND. This is so simple. If you are having doubt now also, then you can comment me. I will reply you, or you can call me on my number 87088 I will give you in description also. You can call me, and I'll meet you in my next video part 2. So bye guys, please make sure you subscribe my channel, and thank you everyone.
With